Welcome. If you could hear me, please type yes. If you have any questions, please ask me. We have time till 7. We'll start this exactly at 7.
Sir, good morning. Sir, good evening, sir. Uh, I can't hear.
If you have any questions, please ask me. If my
Sir,
voice is clear.
yeah, I'm Gopalakrishnan. Yesterday I told about that Astro time. I have been registered in Google GoDaddy, like I can say for the 3 months or 4 months back. I have an ID, which I can say that user ID and the password is there, but I don't know how to go forward after that and all. I'm just stuck
No,
on there.
you have to register for minimum 1 year. They will not give for 3 or 4 months.
Okay, okay. But still it is in a live. I'm having a user ID and the password is there. But I don't
Okay.
know how to proceed after that, what you said.
Um, Go to after logging in, you have to search the domain name and just proceed
So
and
shall
register.
I share the screen now?
Not right now. Okay.
Yeah, no
Only
issues.
if I share, if you share it, then it will take more than 5 minutes. Okay,
Understood,
we
sir.
have to
Sir,
start the
got it.
exact on.
So
Okay.
not a matter, but I'm just follow your what I say, that your videos and all. Then I will try out. If anything else, I will ask you.
Okay. Even if you cannot follow my video, call GoDaddy support. Okay. And
Okay,
they will register it for you. You have to just tell your credit card number for them. Okay.
okay,
If
okay.
you tell them, and they will register it for you. Okay.
Uh-huh. But
And they have.
everything I'm having, so there is not an issue. I'm just not even prepare any, hosting and all. I didn't do anything else. I'm just having that. And yesterday I saw that everything is there, but everything is working on. Just want to have a kind of your videos and all. I didn't even see. So
Okay.
I will try and come back with you.
Yeah. Even if you don't have a domain name, you can create a hosting account. Okay. There is no link between
Okay, okay.
domain and hosting. Only
Understood,
when
sir.
you need, when you go and put the IP address, you need that link both. Okay.
Okay,
Till
okay.
that you can create both separately.
Oh, understood, sir.
Okay. You created AWS account, Amazon Web Services account.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. If anyone else have any questions, please ask. We'll start exactly at 7:02. Okay. Today's session, it's going to take only 20 minutes. I purposefully kept second day exercise very easy because the first day exercise will be tough. Okay. So people need some time to perform the first day exercise. So for people who are stuck, they can easily complete yesterday's exercise and also today's exercise within today. So I purposefully kept today's exercise very easy. It will take only 20 minutes. I'm going to do it live. So people who have trouble registering a domain name, you can take your own time. After 30 minutes today, I am going to answer all your questions live. Okay. And people who have already done this, okay, already done domain name registration and AWS, who already done it, you can leave the meeting after 30 minutes. Else, you go to the LMF secure access, okay, and do today's exercise. Okay, today's exercise, it will take only 15 minutes. You can complete within the next half an hour. Okay, you can complete before 8 p.m. So this is for the people who already completed yesterday's exercise. And I'm going to help the people who still have questions, who still have trouble completing the yesterday's exercise today after 7:30.
Sir, can I ask something, sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, I have both domain, Moshow, that's MOSCHOO, Mo money school जो मैं बोल रहा था.
If you just spell it, I can just type in the chat box.
Am I not audible, sir?
You are audible. You are audible.
Can I ask?
Yeah, you just no. I just type the domain name in the chat box.
Okay.
You just ask your question. I cannot understand the domain name that you said. Yamo school dot shool or shoo.com.
.com, sir.
shool.
Not L, sir.
Moscow. No, it is difficult to spell it. Okay, people should you said deshuschool.com. It is you, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, there is some issue. I'm serving in armed forces, and
Yes. Please say that again. What is the difficulty you are facing?
actually I'm serving in armed forces, so I'm not having luxury of doing it openly, having a startup, but I'm trying to do something. So
Okay.
that's why I thought of not having a domain on my name at first.
Okay.
And my doubt is that can I use word money in brand name in
Yeah.
taking
Just
page?
don't use it in the domain name. Okay.
Okay.
You can use it in the landing page. Okay.
Okay.
You can use it in the land copy, ad copy also, but only in the headline you cannot use. Only in the headline and the image you cannot use in the ad copy.
Okay, headlines I can't use.
Yes. Headline don't use money. Okay. So people, Google will detect it. Okay.
So I should not use it.
No, there are many people using it. Okay. As long as you are, I don't know what is your business model. Okay. As long as it is a good business model, there is no problem. People will buy it.
Actually, I have a proprietorship firm registered with that name.
Then that is fine. Then fine. Use the same name.
Okay.
Okay. You have a bank account with the same name, right?
Yes.
Then use the same name and it will work.
Okay.
Okay. And the domain name is, see, after we started, okay, we can change it even later. Okay.
Yes.
After 1 year, if you get any problem, you can change it after 1 year. But again, the work we did for this 1 year, it will become waste.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
that is the reason why I am asking you to be very clear from the beginning. Okay. So you can change the domain name. Okay. That is a simple process.
So I should buy it again?
No, see, any domain name, start with any domain name. Okay.
Okay.
First, let's build the traffic. Let's people come in, and then whether they take the action or not, we'll see. We'll see the results. Based on the results, we can take the next step. If that domain name is working, no problem with Google Ads or Facebook Ads, then you can use the same.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, we'll start exactly in 1 minute. I will mute all. No one can unmute and speak for the next 20 minutes. Okay. Okay, we will start exactly at 7:02. In the middle, if my voice become audible or the video gets stuck, please type it in the chat box because I'll not know. Okay, it's 7:02. We'll start right now. Today's goal is we are going to install a lifetime free SSL security. SSL certificate is the website security. Okay, we are going to do this and we are going to install the LMF WordPress theme. This too we are going to do today, and we can do this in less than 20 minutes. So the session is 1 hour. What we are going to do after 20 minutes? After 20 minutes, I am going to help the people who could not do the yesterday's exercise. Okay. If you did yesterday's exercise already, you go to the LMF access page. There is a day 2. Okay. Do these 3 exercises. Okay. I am going to do this live for you today, and do this. You can complete this within the next 15 minutes. Okay. Just do this for the people who already completed it, and you can leave the meeting if you did this also. Okay. I'm starting now. The first and foremost important thing, you created AWS account and you gave your credit card. What happens if tomorrow AWS Amazon sends you a bill for $1,000? Okay, there are people who spend close to 1 crore for 1 month in Amazon, because Amazon has that much services. One Amazon account can have that much services. That is very, very powerful. And if something happens in your website, somebody hacked your website, there are people who do this full time. Okay, somebody hacked your website, and they use your resources, they use your AWS account, and Amazon will charge you because you gave your credit card. Okay. Who's speaking? Mute all. Okay, I got some disturbance. Okay, Amazon can send you even a $10,000 bill tomorrow, but you should pay. But do you want that bill? You need to secure it. You need to secure your account. No matter whoever hacks this account, you should not get the bill of whatever you think. Okay, you agreed to pay $5 per month, so you should not get the bill more than of $5, no matter what happens in your account, no matter what happens in our website. Okay, we have to do that. Okay, for that we have to create a budget. Okay, we have to tell AWS, hey, my budget is only $5 per month. No matter what happens in my account, you should not charge me more than $5. You have to activate that setting. Once you activate that setting, Amazon cannot charge you more than $5, no matter what happens in your account. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, it is your responsibility to keep your account secure. Okay, tomorrow if something happens in your account, somebody hacked it, what you do? First call, you will call me because you gave your credit card. You click the checkbox, right? I accept to the terms. You click the checkbox. There you accepted. I pay whatever the bill that you sent me. That you accepted, not me. Okay, but it's my responsibility to tell you to keep your account secure. Okay, this is very, very important. Sorry, I'll cross something. This is very, very important. You have to keep your account secure. You have to create a budget for your AWS account. I'll let you know how you do it. Okay. Now we come to the actual exercise of today. Can you start? Please type yes. If you can hear me, just please type yes. Yeah. What is a SSL certificate? SSL certificate is the website security. Okay. You see HTTPS before this domain name, right? There is a lock symbol. That is the SSL certificate. But SSL certificate used to be very costly 5 to 10 years back. Okay. For 1 year, we have to pay 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. But now, how it became free? Why it became free? Because there is a company called Let's Encrypt. They thought the security should be a basic human right of the internet. Okay. This started as a foundation and they started to offer the website security for free. Okay. This is a company. Okay. So what happened? Gradually it became a foundation. All the big companies started to fund this Let's Encrypt. Okay. If you go to let'sencrypt.com, encrypt.com, all the big companies, okay, Fortune 500 companies, you can see here. You can see AWS here. Can you see them? Okay. Can you see AWS here? These are the companies that they are funding this Let's Encrypt. Okay. Why a company should fund this? Why it become free? Because this company has an agreement with Let's Encrypt. You should make it very easy to install an SSL certificate if a client uses my service. This is the agreement AWS has with Let's Encrypt. So just because we are using AWS, it will become very easy to install an SSL certificate. Okay, just only one command. We can install an SSL certificate if you have a AWS hosting. That one we created yesterday. We are going to issue only one command, and the SSL certificate is set for life. It is free for life. Okay, but okay. Now I present you the two ways. One is the easiest way. and one is the free way. Do you know what is the easiest way to install an SSL certificate? Call a GoDaddy customer support. Tell them I want. Tell them I want SSL certificate installed. Okay, they will do it. They will do it for you, and they will charge you 4,000 rupees per year. If you don't believe it, go to GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy and search for SSL certificate. They'll charge anywhere between 4,000 to 20,000 per year. Go to security, click on SSL certificate. Okay. Can you see here the price? It is 293 per month. So it will come to 4,000 per year, and they will do it for you. This is the easiest way. But are you willing to spend 4,000 per year? Let's Encrypt is giving it for free. The technology is same. Okay. What GoDaddy does is the same technology what Let's Encrypt is doing. The technology is same. Just because GoDaddy is doing it, they are giving it for 4,000. Just because if it is a Let's Encrypt, that's a foundation, we are getting it for free. Okay. This is the easiest way. If you want the easiest way, just call GoDaddy and pay this amount, they will set it up for you. But we don't want that. We are going to do this free way. Okay. So, we are going to do the free way. Right now, I'm going to do it live. Okay. Today, we are going to start. Today, we are going to install the SSL certificate. We are going to install the LMF theme, and we are going to secure the AWS account. We are going to create a budget. Okay. We'll start now. I repeat again. It's okay. You are stuck. The goal is to complete today's exercise before tomorrow 7 p.m. Okay. Today's exercise is very, very easy. You can do it. If you already have the website, you can do it in the next 1 hour. Okay. If you are stuck, that's okay. You know how the support works. You can send a message in the WhatsApp, and I'm going to support you. Okay. So I'll repeat it again. How support works. If you are stuck, just take a phone and record a video and send it to me. I'll understand the question even if you don't speak in the video. I'll reply with the correct answer. If you just type it, I cannot install SSL certificate. If you just type and send it, I cannot support you because I don't know what is the problem you are facing. I have to see it. I have to see a photo or a video. One day then I will be able to help you. This is how the support works. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen. I'm going to install the certificate live. Okay. Type yes. Share the screen. How support works. Okay, if you can see the screen, type yes. Can you see the screen? Now go to LMF access. Okay. Go to lmfaccess.jagankrish.com. Go to day 2. Okay. Day 1 you have already completed. Go to day 2. This one I am going to do it live for you. Okay. This is the exercise, only 4 minutes it will take. You have to go to your Amazon Lightsail home. Okay. Click on this button. Click on this button, first button. It will take you to the instance. Okay. This is the instance that we created yesterday. Okay. Just click on the small square here. Can you see it? Small square. Click on that. It will open something like this. Okay. Okay, it will open something like this. Okay. Now go to LMS Secure Access. Okay. Copy this command. This is the one command you need. Okay. Copy this command. Come here and paste it and press enter. Okay. here it will ask only three questions. Okay, now I already have a SSL certificate. I cannot do this for you, so I am going to play this video and I am going to explain it. Okay. So here, type the command. I copied this command. I came here. I come to the AWS console and pasted this command and press enter. Okay. Now, after 2 seconds, it will ask for the domain list. Okay. Here you need to give your domain name that you registered. Yesterday you registered a domain name, right? My domain name is lmfworkshop.life. Okay, lmfworkshop.life. Please be very careful. Don't give any spelling mistakes here. Give the correct domain name. Okay. Now it will ask you this question. Type Y. You need to add www. also. Type Y here. Okay. Press enter. Now it will ask you one more question. Enable HTTP to HTTPS redirection. Type Y. We need this. Type Y. Okay. And this question, type N. We don't need this. Okay. Type N. And the third question, type Y. So I type first Y, N, Y. Okay. 2Y and 2Y, then N and then Y. Okay. Now it will ask you to change the, it will ask you to agree to the terms. Type Y. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. You have to wait it. Okay. Now give the email address. You give the email address that you gave to create the AWS account. Mine is ebirthdayinvite@gmail.com. I'm giving that email address. Okay. Type enter. This is the email address. You will get information about your SSL certificate. Okay. Now agree to the license and terms. Type Y. Now it goes on. It says please be patient. Okay. Wait. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. It is doing a lot of work in the backend. Just because it is AWS and it's GoDaddy, it will complete within 2 minutes. If it is another service, it will take 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, see, that's all. Now you see success here. If you see success, your SSL certificate is installed and it's free for lifetime. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Now you see this 2.1.2 SSL checker tool. Click on this. Okay, this is the tool that we can use to check whether our SSL certificate is installed properly. Okay, lmfworkshop.life. Okay, check SSL. Here you will get a result. Please be patient. It will take some time, not more than 30 seconds. Let's wait. Here you will find all tick marks. LMF these are all third-party free services. We cannot predict the time it takes. But again, it will take, when I did it separately, it took only 10 seconds. Now it's taking too much time. But again, I'll check. Okay, let it come. Okay, let it come. Okay. Now, if you go to lmfworkshop.live, okay, you will see a small lock icon at the beginning. Okay, click on this. Okay, click on connection, and connection is secure, and you will see certificate is valid. When you click on that, you will see LMF workshop.live issued by R3, expires on 16th August 2022. If you see this, if you see certificate is valid, your SSL certificate is installed properly. Okay, this is your confirmation, but again, this has to work in the entire world. Okay, so to verify that, we are using this tool. To verify that, we are using this tool. Today it's very much slow, but again it will work. In 30 seconds it will show the result. Okay, when you do it, verify this after some 5 minutes. Just verify this. It will show all green tick marks here. Okay, that's how easy it is to install a SSL certificate. Now, I'm going to show you how to log into your WordPress administration panel. Okay, now I'm going to log out. Now everybody has this page with the sparrow. Okay, many people have sent this page yesterday. Okay, now we want to log into the administration panel. Okay, how to log in? Okay, here type the domain name that you registered. For example, I type aiectoken.in. Okay, click on open. It will show you what is your WordPress login URL. Okay, this is your WordPress login URL. Click on WordPress mail. Click on open green button. It will open your WordPress login page. Okay. Now I am going to go to my WordPress login page. Okay. This is my WordPress login page. Okay. You need username and password. Go to secure access page. 2.2.2 is the WordPress username. Copy this. Okay, user is your WordPress username. Okay, now you need password. Okay, you need password to log in. How to get the password? Go to 2.2.3. Okay, you have to get the password from AWS. Click on open Lightsail Home. Okay, you will see list of instances here. Okay, click on this small command prompt button. Okay, this is AWS console. Okay, you see this. Come here, copy this command. 2.2.4. Copy this command. Come here, paste that command. Press enter. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is your password. Okay, right click, click on copy. Okay, usually it is copied with a space at the end. Okay, you have to copy it carefully without any spaces. Copy, go to your WordPress login page, come here, paste, login. See, when you see this, you successfully logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now we need to install our WordPress theme, LMF WordPress theme. For that, go to appearance and go to themes. Okay, before that, come here, 2.3, how to install and activate LMF WordPress theme. Okay, click on this green button, download LMF WordPress theme. It will take you to this page. You will find download button here. Click on download. See, you will download a file called LMF theme v2.3. Okay. Now, in appearance, in themes, click on add new. Click on upload theme. Now click on choose file. Just choose the file that we just downloaded. Okay. Click on open. Click on install now. Okay, you will see theme installed successfully. A small link will be here. Click on activate. Okay, when you click on activate, you will see something like this: LMF WordPress theme template, LMF WordPress template, jagankrish.com. You will see something like this. Now, if you go to lmfworkshop.live, your domain name, you will see something like this. Okay, if you see something like this, today's exercise is complete. Okay, you need to take a photo of this and share in the WhatsApp group. You just take a photo of this. I need to see this, and it should be your domain name, and take a photo of this and share in the group. Your today's exercise is complete. And I'm going to tell you one advanced step. Okay, till 2.3 you will do. Okay, 2.4 it will take only 1 minute. I want you to check this spec file. Okay, go to themes. This one only for the advanced users, for those who have time. Okay, go to theme settings. When you go to theme settings, you will see a link here: open leads management page. Click on that. Okay, now you will see something like this. You see something as upload LMF spec file. Okay, you go to LMF secure access, click on download default spec file. Okay, click on download here. You see spec file is downloaded. Okay, now go to your theme settings. Once you click on this lead management page, it will open this, and here click on choose file, and just choose the file that you just downloaded. Okay, and click on upload. You should see this spec file uploaded successfully. If you see this, it should work. 99% of the people it will work by default. What happens if you see some error message here? What happens if you see some error message here? Go here, just do this 2.4.2. Just do this 2.4.3 optional step. If spec file upload not working, do 2.4.3. Else skip 2.4.3. You have to copy this command and paste it here. Okay, you have to paste it here. Press enter. Okay, this is only for the people who cannot upload the spec file. Okay, and exercise 2.5 I'm going to do it. Okay, so till 2.3 is today's exercise. Okay, now I said we have to secure our AWS account. We have to create a budget, correct? Okay, for that I'll close all and start from the beginning. Okay, I'm going to open the search button, open Lightsail Home. Okay, click on this. Here you see billing. Okay, click on billing. Here, left side, there is something called budget. Okay, click on budget. Okay, so click on create budget. Click on cost budget. Click on next. Okay, budget name, type your domain name. Just any name you can type. LMF workshop batch 2. Okay, select monthly, select recurring. Okay, enter your budgeted amount. Okay, here I want you to enter. If you have chosen $5 instance, enter 10. Just check this amount is in USD. Okay, if you have chosen a $10 instance, enter 20. Okay, click on all. This one, just don't change anything here. Click on next. Okay, and click on next. And when you complete this, the budgets will be created. Okay, Now I'm not creating a new budget. I'm going to show you the budgets that I already created. Okay, I'll create new one. Next. Okay. Click on create budget. You will see something called LMF workshop 2 20 1.26. 1.26 what I have incurred so far. Now AWS knows, Amazon knows that they cannot charge you more than $20 no matter what happens in your account, no matter who hacks your website. Okay. So this is very, very important. You need to see this in budget. You need to see this. You need to see this. Okay. If it is not there, if tomorrow something happens, if some bill, you get some bill for $1,000, please do not call me. Okay. I told you, you have to create this. Okay. If you are not willing to create this, please go ahead and delete the AWS account today. Okay. Please go here, go to AWS, open Lightsail Home. Okay. Remove the credit card here. Okay. Click on here, click on delete and remove the credit card and please exit AWS. You have to do this. Yes. Delete the AWS and exit it. Okay. This is my recommendation. Okay. That's all for today. 1 minute. I'll stop sharing my screen and I'll stop recording. Stop sharing my screen. Okay, I'll allow you to unmute. Okay, now that's all. Today's exercise will take only 10 minutes. People who already have that page, you can go ahead and do today's exercises. Others, if you have any questions about yesterday's session, you can unmute and speak. I'm going to help you for the next half an hour. Okay, any questions you have, I'll answer it now. You can unmute and speak. Others, you can go and do the exercises. Yes, I can hear. Please speak one by one. Please type share. Okay, please type share. Whoever types share first, I'll bring them first for their question. Sandeep sir, please unmute and speak.
Okay. Hi, Jagan. Thanks.
Yes.
So, Jagan, sorry, I missed the class yesterday, so I'm not in sync. But with regards to today's this thing, I have a couple of questions. Number one, you said this this particular SSL certificate that we are getting, this is free for lifetime for AWS accounts. How about if we are not using AWS accounts and some other third-party accounts in that case?
You have to
Will
go
this be
ahead
chargeable?
No, that is not chargeable. Let's Encrypt is free, but you have to install it manually. It will not be this easier.
Right.
You have to,
I got that.
You have to contact your customer support. Which hosting service provider you are using?
Let's say I'm not using anything, but if we start using a Google Cloud or a Oracle Cloud works out to be very cheaper. It's very cheap.
Cloud. See, go to Let's Encrypt. If you see that Oracle Cloud is listed in the sponsor, it will be very easier there also. Okay.
Okay. But if in case it is not listed over there, then it will take a lot of effort.
It will take a lot of effort. And contact Oracle. Contact Oracle Cloud support, and they can do it for you.
Okay. But one thing is for sure that irrespective of whosoever is the service provider, this would be free for lifetime.
That should be free for lifetime.
Okay. The other question that I have wanted to ask you, in the demo screen when you were showing showing the LMF account that you had created, the video, it talked about some date in August, expiring in August 2022. So when we say that this is free for lifetime, then why is that expiry message being shown?
I'll tell you. Do you know Safari browser?
Yeah.
It is the default browser of iPhone. You know what Apple did? Apple did. If the SSL certificate validity is more than 3 months, then that is not a valid SSL certificate. They'll begin to show an error message. Okay. Whoever browses your website, if the SSL security, the validity is more than 3 months, they'll show error message that this SSL certificate is not valid.
Okay.
Do you want that to happen? So
no.
what Let's Encrypt did, they give only for 3 months. After 3 months, you have to go and renew manually. But if you use AWS, that will renew automatically. When 3 months is complete, it will renew automatically. Everything is already inbuilt. But if you use Oracle, you have to go ahead and renew it manually. Every 3 months you have to renew it manually, and this is the standard. It will happen after 2025. This is the standard, and everyone, each and every website in the world have to follow this.
Got it. Great. Last question. Is there any recording available for yesterday's session?
Yeah, go to this LMF access page, LMF access secure access page. Go to day 1. Scroll down to the bottom.
Fine, fine. I'll not take much of your time. I'll go and explore myself. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thanks. Bye.
Please type share. I'll bring you. Ravi, please unmute and speak.
Hello, sir. Can I create like codomain also, like in this?
Hello.
For codomain.
Sorry, what is the question?
Can I use like codomain also? How to set up for the codomain?
Codomain, I don't understand. What is the codomain?
Like suppose my domain is there and I want to create a codomain. So
subdomain you are meaning. You can
subdomain.
You can create unlimited number of subdomains.
So what is the like process for that? Like
that is not covered in this course, sir. Sorry, that is advanced. That is not covered in this course.
Okay. And
maybe I'll send you some tutorials. You can watch the tutorials on YouTube and you can do it yourself. But this is out of scope of this tutorial. But the technology is there. You can create unlimited number of subdomains. I think you are using old service providers. So you are thinking about they'll limit it. Only 100 subdomains you can create. But now it's not the case. AWS is cloud is universal. You can see only one WordPress instance. I manage 5,000 websites. Only one WordPress installation. I manage 5,000. Okay, there is no limitation. Limitation is based only on the GB, number of GB of RAM, the cloud storage. That is the limitation. There is no limitation on number of subdomains.
So with one instance we can create many subdomains.
Many subdomains you can create.
Okay. So you can just send me some videos on that.
Yes. I'll share you that video. Okay.
And
Sudhir, I have some questions.
Please type, sir. I don't know who is speaking.
Hello, Jagan. This side Sudhir.
Sudhir. Yeah. Please, Sudhir. Please go ahead.
Okay. Actually, I have selected the instance plan $3.5, and I just go forward. Can I again select to $5 plan?
Don't choose it. If you choose 3.5, just stick with it. It will be somewhat slow. Okay. As long as no traffic is coming, it doesn't matter. I requested you to choose $5 because it will be somewhat fast. When you do this commands, right? When you copy paste that command, that will be fast. It will be the response will be in 5 to 10 seconds. It will get in $5 instance. If it is 3.5, you have to wait 20 to 30 seconds. That is the only difference. Please don't change it. Okay. I recommend not changing it.
Okay, and what about the SSL certificate? You just said the SSL certificate was free of cost, right, for lifetime. So is it a lifetime for free of cost for SSL certificate, or is it a lifetime?
Yes, I'm using it for last 4 years for 5,000 websites. Okay.
And the and the third question I have, like, can I create multiple website in one instance?
Yes, you can do it. Again, that is not in the scope of this course. I will not support for that, but you can do it. But you have to watch the tutorials on YouTube and you can do it.
No, I'm not talking about the subdomain. I'm talking about the like before I had taken hosting plan from Hostinger. Okay, shared hosting. So I did it for multiple websites. So I wanted to know whether I can do it for multiple websites in one instance, or what is the process? And
in one $40 instance, I can manage 5,000 websites, 5,000 different websites. Okay. The only limitation is the RAM. Okay. You have to create multiple instances. You don't need 5,000 websites like me. So that is again out of the scope of this course. I will not teach you that. You have to go and learn it yourself. And there are enough tutorials for that outside in the YouTube.
Okay. And the third question I have, like compared to other vendor, like some hosting there, hosting it there, hosting plan, how is it comfortable? Whether to learning purpose, I mean to creation own websites. Okay, so how is it possible to compare?
HostGator. I used to use HostGator in 2013-14. You know what HostGator uses? They use cloud hosting in the backend. They use this. They'll not. They'll not tell it in publicly. Again, HostGator uses AWS or Microsoft. They use cloud hosting. Okay, only then they can scale. But you will not know it in front end. They use some software called cPanel. Okay, cPanel or WHM. Correct? And you are
Correct.
paying that software, paying for that software also. Here Linux is 100% free. Okay, there is no software cost, only the hardware cost. Okay, I recommend you to shift from HostGator to AWS.
Okay, thanks very much for my answers.
If anyone has questions, please type share. I'll bring you on stage. Else we can end up this session. We have another 40 minutes, not 45. We have another 20 minutes. See, please make use of this time. Okay, when you message me privately on WhatsApp, I cannot respond because I don't know who is messaging. Only if you message on the group, I know that you paid for this course. I get 5 to 10 messages privately. I will not respond to everything. Okay, because I don't know whether they paid or not, whether they are in the course or not. Okay, so my Sandeep Pandey, please unmute and speak.
So since no one is asking a question, I just wanted to understand that what is this all about, because I'll go and watch the video, but
Okay.
I just wanted to understand that what exactly are you teaching, because this seems quite interesting, and since I missed yesterday's class, I am not too much in sync.
Please go to jagankrish.com.
Okay.
Okay. You paid, right? You paid for that.
Yeah, I paid for it.
So go to jagankrish.com and there is a video on the home page. Okay.
Okay.
Here there is a home page.
Oh yeah.
Please watch this video and you will know what is the deliverables of this course. Okay.
Okay. Perfect. I'll do that. Thank you.
Sandeep, you just spoke, right? And I think nobody has any other questions. But again, I'll tell you, yesterday's and today's session is very easy. Okay. I designed this course so that even a non-technical person can do this. That's why it is very easy yesterday and today. Tomorrow, what I'm going to teach, it will take more than 1 hour. Okay, it will take 1 hour to 1 hour 10 minutes. And tomorrow, what I'm going to teach is, they are going to edit this, whatever we created right now, right? We are going to change this content. Okay, this is something that only I can teach because I created this template. Okay, you cannot find any tutorials outside. But whatever we done so far, yesterday's and today's, there are 1,000 tutorials on YouTube. You can just type the how to do this, you will get tutorials. But what we are going to learn tomorrow and the day after, and the next 3 days, only I can teach because I created this template. So please attend it live. You cannot, the same effect will not be there in the recordings. Okay, of course you can go and do it in the recordings. That is only for people who cannot attend it live. Please attend. If you can attend it live, please join, attend it live, and ask me the question directly. Please don't message me privately in WhatsApp. I will not respond because my phone will not be with me. I'll take my phone only in the morning, afternoon, and the evening. Okay, even if you call me, I cannot attend. Okay, so I will not keep my phone when I'm working here. So please make use of this time, live session. I am going to here teach you. Today we have 20 minutes time and nobody have any questions. So I request you to make use of this time. Okay, every day, the live session. Okay, please go ahead and do today's exercises and complete this before tomorrow coming to this session, live session. Okay, I'll end this section and the recording will be available in another 1 hour in the LMF secure access page. Here in the recording, here you will find it. Okay, thank you so much. We'll meet you tomorrow. Okay.